Hi guys, good morning. Arlene from Lipa City, Batangas. It's Saturday morning. How are you doing today? So today I found something at our porch. Let's check it out. Oh my god. There's a puppy here. So actually I already chased away the puppy because generally I like dogs, but dogs are, it's sort of big responsibility, and I don't have any idea how to train dogs, because they are, pooping, pissing around. So I already chased it away through the gate out, but somehow it came back. So I don't know exactly how I'm gonna deal with it. But look at this. So it's now under the chair. Uh, but looks like it's been crying. So what should I do with it? And anyway, I have to clean it because it's been raining. So are you okay? Oh, it looks very sad. And it's smelly. So what I will do, oh poor dog. So what I will do is I still have some fresh milk, I think, in the fridge. So I will give some milk, but I don't know if I can adopt it because I don't know how to take care of it. And but it would be nice to have a puppy at home. He's still young, I think. Wait, I have to switch off the emergency light. Guys, there is no electricity here. So, yeah, it will be a long day actually when there's no electricity. So, actually, the announcement said that there will be no electricity from 8 o'clock until 5 in the afternoon. So, it's a long way. So, oh, I'm not prepared. I don't have a small bowl for dog or for the puppy. I think maybe I can use this one. What did this ceramic? Yeah, that's the only one I have actually. I can use a plastic one. I better use the plastic one. I don't know what Oliver will say, but for sure he will say we have to adopt it because is in that way he's very animal lover or something like this, right? Oops. So I will give some milk to the 1 second. I'm not sure actually, so I don't know. I don't know how or what I can feed to the puppy. I'm not sure. So should I feed the bread or something? But actually we don't have bread. I have actually to get from hypermarket today. So I have to drive today. Have to get some stuff for next week or this coming week. Okay, I'm opening the door again. Hopefully it will not piss and poop out here. That is very... Come on. Here. Puppy. Come on. Here. Because I'm afraid that you will piss over there. Then it's bad. Come on. Come. Oh, it's a male. Okay. Here. Come on. It's afraid about this because generally they should have rabies, you know. How can I say? Uh, uh, Rabies injections, right? So, and of course, dogs in the Philippines, they are not all of them actually have this shot, but the government is encouraging everybody with dogs to have the shot because you know, treating rabies here, it's very expensive in the Philippines. So especially when you're coming from a remote area like our place, you know, it's very remote. So I think it's not easy. So I'm waiting that the puppy will take the milk, so we will see. But still, it looks very afraid, you know. So most probably something bad happened to him. So that's why. Let's check it out. Come on, puppy. Drink the milk. But please, okay, don't poop in there, okay? Okay? It looks very sad. Okay, so let's leave it like that because he's still very scared, I think. So it's sunny day today.